Let's imagine this is our client onboarding system, and we have a situation where one customer has come to our branch to open account but with the fake details. Let me enter his details. Okay, he said his name is John Doe. He's from Pakistan. His occupation is farmer. His annual income is around 1 lakh and expected transaction is 90,000. And for photograph, he has given us his image, or we can say we have captured his image through webcam. So let's upload his image. Okay, this is the image given by that customer. I hope you all know this person. But if you don't know, then this system will tell us now. Let's click on submit. So this is our advanced screening result. And this system has successfully identified this person as a Osama bin Laden with 99 point accuracy. This is a very good result. I believe most of you are familiar with name screening or customer screening, which is used to screen name of customer against criminal or terrorist sanction list. And I also believe that this mechanism has been implemented by all financial institutions. However, name screening system is prone to errors. For example, let's say if I write the name as Usama bin Laden, maybe your system will catch this or maybe not. Again, this depends upon how complex your system is. But you cannot disregard this fact that user can make mistake, right? At the time of inputting the name of customer in the system. And another major lapses with the name screening system is that it cannot check authenticity of the documents. Let's say if any criminals or terrorists come with the fake identification detail in your organization, then there is no other way to verify the authenticity of that document. So, I have created this application with the help of computer vision. Right? It's a branch of artificial intelligence. Simply, we can call this as a face recognition software. Maybe you have heard about this software. We have seen such kind of software being used for security surveillance, like in border areas, in attendance system, in healthcare, as well as smart home devices. So there is nothing stopping us to use similar kind of technology in AML safety area. You can imagine this technology will reduce AML safety risk drastically. If there were companies who would create a database of profile pictures of known criminals and terrorists and create such kind of software, then no criminals and terrorists would have foothold in any financial institution. And this application was the proof of that concept. Now let's try another example. So this person has come to our branch to open account with us. So his name is Leonardo DiCaprio. Address may be California. Occupation actor. Annual income, I am not sure. So I will just keep adding lot of zeros. Okay. Maybe not that much. Okay. I was just kidding. Okay. So let's say his expected transaction is around this figure. Don't ask me to count those number. Okay. And for photograph, we'll choose this image. Now let's see if our system is able to detect this individual or not. So we'll click on submit. So voila. So this system has successfully identified Mr. Leonardo DiCaprio as Leonardo DiCaprio with 99% accuracy, and that is a very good result. But if you ask me, I would have taken his autograph first before doing any kind of name screening or customer screening. If you have an ambition to become AML safety expert, look no further. Elevate your skills with our comprehensive, customized online courses at learnwithsiorik.com. Designed for efficiency and effectiveness, our courses offer everything you need to master AML safety principles and practices. Discover why so many professionals trust learnwithsiorik.com to enhance their careers and stay ahead in the dynamic field of AML safety.